Do you also feel like you are constantly running on a treadmill but getting nowhere? Like you are so busy in getting your work done, being productive 24/7 but somehow इस पूरे प्रोसेस में आप खुद को ही भूलते जा रहे हो. And you know why? Because we are living in a world where we all are so busy in chasing something one after the other. और ये सारी चीजें हमारे दिमाग में फिल्ड अप होती रहती है and it makes us so stressed, frustrated and what not. Because we never sit with ourselves and let it all out. With my YouTube journey so far, I've had the opportunity to learn so many things which has improved me in overall terms. But वो एक चीज जो इन सबसे अलग थी, that is making time for myself in this busy schedule. So in today's video, we are going to talk about something which is very necessary, and that is making time for yourself. Firstly, let's talk about how being busy all the time is affecting our lives. अब ये तो हम सब जानते हैं कि हर वक्त बिजी होने से हमारी मेंटल और फिजिकल हेल्थ काफी इफेक्ट होती है, बट इसके अलावा भी ऐसी कई चीजें हैं जो कहीं ना कहीं आपके लाइफ को बहुत इफेक्ट कर रही है एंड यू माइट नॉट नो अबाउट इट. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन डिटेल. नंबर 1 इज रिलेशन. जब आप अपने काम में बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी हो जाते हो और आप अपने फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स को टाइम नहीं दे पाते तो इट कैन रियली मेक देम सफर. इवन यू माइट स्टार्ट टू फील आइसोलेटेड बिकॉज योर बिजी स्केड्यूल कीप्स यू अवे फ्रॉम स्पेंडिंग टाइम विद अदर्स. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट ऑफन टॉक टू देम, योर कम्युनिकेशन कैन ऑल्सो ब्रेक डाउन विद पुअर लिसनिंग एंड मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग, which can lead to so many conflicts. Number 2 is creativity. Everyone says that if you want to be creative, you need to give yourself some time to think properly. And here you are, not giving yourself any time, then how are you supposed to be creative? Your creativity also takes a hit when you don't give your mind enough time to rest and think freely, just because you are so busy. Number 3 is personal growth. हम हमेशा खुद से यही कहते हैं कि अगर हमारे पास टाइम होता तो हम अपनी पर्सनल ग्रोथ पे भी ध्यान देते. Like if I had time, I would have gone to the gym to move my body. If I had time, I would have read some books to increase my knowledge. But we never have time for these things, right? Being too busy can really stop you from looking after your life and thinking about your personal growth. You may not have the time to reflect on your life, take care of your mental and emotional health, or develop new skills. Just because you have limited time for learning and exploring, you may miss out on new knowledge and experiences. It can also decrease your ability to handle challenges and adapt to new changes in your life. Number 4 is mental and physical health. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि हमारी सोसाइटी उन लोगों को काफी इंपॉर्टेंस देती है जो हमेशा बिजी रहते हैं, एंड दैट रियली मेक्स अस फील लाइक वी नीड टू बी कॉन्स्टेंटली प्रोडक्टिव, सक्सेसफुल इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ्स. एंड नाउ वी क्रिएट अ हैबिट ऑफ अनहेल्दी कंपैरिजन विद अदर्स एंड समटाइम्स अ ह्यूज प्रेशर टू परफॉर्म वेल ऑल द टाइम. You may feel stressed, overwhelmed, experience mood swings, and have trouble with coping up. Burnout is also common when you are constantly busy, making you feel emotionally drained, less motivated, less effective at your job, and so on. And if I talk about physical health, because you are so busy, you often don't get enough sleep. This can make you feel tired all the time, lower your immune system, and even makes you less productive. And sometimes you don't even have time to eat properly. So you may develop unhealthy eating habits, gain weight, and experience low energy. Well, if we talk about specifically how this can affect our health, we can talk for hours. You can take an example from my life too. So when I started making videos, I was constantly busy in completing everything that I had to do with my studies. Like in the morning, I was studying, filming videos in the afternoon, and editing them in the night. So मेरे पास खुद के लिए तो जैसे टाइम था ही नहीं. But then one day, I realized that what am I doing for myself? Like I'm making videos for everybody to learn about personal growth, but am I doing the same thing for myself? And then finally, after 4 months of hustling day and night, I learned how to make time for myself so that I can become a better version of myself and provide some genuine content to my people. These things may take up crazy amount of time to even show a micro change in your lifestyle. But trust me, once you feel that change, there is no going back. And it leads us to the second part of the video. But before we move on to the next topic, make sure to subscribe this channel if you found my videos helpful. So how to actually make time for yourself? In this part, I will share some of my techniques that I have applied in my life to just take myself out of this hustling thing and give my brain some peace. So you can try this out based on your comfort. Also, I want you to remember that हम सबके पास एक दिन में सिर्फ 24 आवर्स ही होते हैं और हम चाह कर भी एक दिन में सब कुछ इंक्लूड नहीं कर सकते. So we need to create a balance between our professional and personal life so that we can have some time for ourselves as well. Okay, so number one is creating a morning routine. Wake up 1 to 2 hours before your work starts, and trust me, it's a game changer. Because now you have some time when you can just relax and create a morning routine without worrying about your day and your to-do list. Well, we all know about the ideal morning routine that we should follow to make our rest of the day productive. But अगर आपको इसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता, so you can just start small. Just include these two things into your morning routine before you start your day. Firstly, move your body. If you don't have a habit of working out, you can just start by as minimal as 10 to 15 minutes of walk. You can also do some yoga or some exercises if you want to, but I would suggest you not to rush with all that. With days, you should gradually increase your workout, starting from a simple walk to a good warm-up. Because when we move our bodies, it boosts our energy levels by increasing blood flow and oxygenation to cells. And exercise releases endorphins, also known as feel-good hormone. These natural chemicals improve our mood, reduce stress, and enhance mental clarity. So morning movement sets a positive tone for the day. Secondly, read self-help books. This one is my favorite part of the morning routine because when you read self-help books, instead of just scrolling through your social media, the inspiring content it carries can easily stimulate motivation and your will to perform better in your life. It can also improve critical thinking and support your personal growth. And remember, reading self-help book is an investment in yourself with great outcomes. I have already made a video on self-help book for beginners, so you can watch that out too. Number 2 is scheduling self-time. I know your calendar is full of commitments to your job, to your studies, and so on. But do you ever make a commitment for yourself? No, right? So start scheduling some time for yourself. It's just about finding a time in your day to spend with yourself. One way is like you can just sit down and let your thoughts out. और अगर आपको लगता है कि इससे हमें overthinking होगी, so you can start journaling at that time. इससे आपको अपने थॉट्स और इमोशंस पे एक मेंटल क्लैरिटी भी मिलेगी. यू कैन ऑल्सो स्पेंड दिस टाइम विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स इफ यू वांट टू. क्या फिर आप खुद को कोई ट्रीट दे सकते हो, कोई नई हॉबी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, या अपनी कोई फेवरेट मूवी या पॉडकास्ट एंजॉय कर सकते हो. जस्ट डू वॉट एवर मेक्स यू हैप्पी एंड मेक श्योर दैट यू आर हियर फॉर योरसेल्फ, नॉट फॉर एनीवन एल्स. Because scheduling self-time is as important as scheduling work time. And this is something that is non-negotiable. Also, I want you to remind that you can always stay flexible with your routine क्योंकि हमारा हर दिन एक जैसा नहीं होता. हर दिन हमारे energy levels भी अलग-अलग होते हैं. So adjust your self-care time according to your needs because we can never stay glued to only one thing. So some variations are fine. Number 3 is stress-free weekend. This one changed my life for real. So I learned this from my favorite YouTuber, which I'm gonna share with you guys. It's very simple. Like we all work on every single day in a week, but not on Sundays. Sundays for me are only for self-care and enjoyment. So Sundays are like a reset day for me, where I write journals, plan my next week, watch movies, play sports, and everything that makes me feel relaxed and happy. I just do whatever I want instead of worrying about my work or the other pending stuffs that I need to do. So that my brain and body will be ready for the next week where I again have to work every single day. It's like you are giving your brain and body some time to relax and rejuvenate because balancing both the side of your life is very, very important. And with that, I just want to say, making time for yourself requires commitment, intention, and creativity. Also, if you do what you have committed to yourself, you have no idea how much confidence it can boost in your life. And remember that self-care is also important. It does not only mean by doing your skincare. So start by taking small steps and you will see the changes. If you have any other techniques on how can we make time for ourselves, you can comment down so that we can see how creative you are. So that's all for this video. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. Share it with your family and friends who need to learn this, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving.